The Great Hamburger Production, a behind-the-scenes look at technology. Every year, the US produces over 50 billion hamburgers, and today, we're giving you an exclusive look at one of the mega facilities that produces millions of these iconic burgers every single day. Get ready to dive into the intricate technology behind each delicious bite. The journey begins. The bun production. Our journey starts in the heart of the facility at the mixing station, where high-quality ingredients like premium flour, yeast, salt, and sugar come together to create the perfect dough. A precise balance of ingredients is added to mixers, blending together to form a silky smooth dough. This dough will eventually become the soft, pillowy buns that are essential to any burger. The dough, once fully mixed, flows like a gentle waterfall onto a conveyor belt, moving towards the next step. This is where the magic of precision cutting begins. A highly sophisticated system of cutters descends in sync, creating perfectly round dough circles. Each dough round is cut to a precise size, ensuring uniformity, and then shaped into the signature round bun form we all recognize. These little dough rounds are carefully placed into special baking pans, which will be loaded into the proofing room, a warm environment that allows the dough to rise and rest for approximately an hour. This crucial step ensures the buns achieve their light, airy texture. Next, the dough makes its way into a massive industrial oven, set to a toasty 464 degrees Fahrenheit. The frosting is then applied evenly between the layers, and the cake is topped with an even coat of frosting, both on top and around the sides. Once the cake is frosted, it moves through an automated decorating machine that applies creative touches, whether it's intricate designs or personalized messages. At this point, robotic arms spring into action, picking up each perfectly formed patty with incredible precision. These robotic arms place the patties into packaging boxes, ensuring they are securely sealed and ready for shipment. Adding bacon, the savory crunch. One of the most beloved ingredients to add to a burger is crispy, sizzling bacon. In the facility, large blocks of cured meat are fed into a high-speed slicer. The sharp blades of the slicer rotate at an incredible speed, cutting the solid block into perfectly thin, uniform slices of bacon. Each slice is carefully portioned and moved to a dispenser for easy handling. Hundreds of buns travel through the oven simultaneously on large trays, subjected to waves of heat for 8 to 9 minutes. The result is golden brown, perfectly baked buns, soft on the inside with a crisp outer layer. Once baked, the buns enter a cooling chamber, a towering space built specifically for cooling down freshly baked bread. This chamber ensures that the buns reach the optimal temperature for packaging. Imagine a structure as tall as a skyscraper, just for cooling. After cooling, the buns are transferred via conveyor belts to the packaging station, where each batch is grouped, vacuum sealed in airtight bags, and prepared for distribution. Thanks to its smart design, it offers quick and efficient processing while maintaining its durability over time. Complete sawmill system, precision in every cut for those in need of precise cutting. The complete sawmill system offers a powerful solution. Equipped with a high-performance engine system and impressive horsepower, this machine is perfect for cutting medium-sized wood. The 7.5 kilowatts engine provides exceptional cutting power, while the 20-inch directional pressure of up to 12 tons ensures that the saw cuts cleanly and accurately. This design is perfect for professionals looking to get the best results while reducing the effort needed during the cutting process. With its modern technology and optimized design, the complete sawmill system is a prime example of engineering excellence in action. Extreme V6 chainsaw. Cutting through challenges with ease, looking for a fast and efficient cutting tool? The Extreme V6 chainsaw is built to handle even the toughest wood-cutting tasks. Its high-powered engine system and optimized design make it ideal for quick, precise cutting. For cakes with sticky dough, an automated oil spraying system ensures the right amount of oil is applied to each baking pan, ensuring that the cakes bake evenly. Once the batter is ready, it's loaded onto carts and transferred to industrial ovens that are programmed to maintain the perfect baking temperature. These ovens are designed to bake thousands of cakes a day without compromising on quality, ensuring a uniform rise every time. After baking, the cakes are carefully sliced into 3 or 4 layers by automatic cutters, ensuring each layer is even and perfect. This is crucial for multi-layer cakes, as it helps maintain the softness and moisture of the cake. Frosting and decorating the cake. Next comes the frosting. Using a syrup spray system, a precise layer of sweet syrup is applied to each cake layer to keep it moist and flavorful. This chainsaw delivers superior performance, allowing users to take on even the most difficult tasks with ease, saving time and effort while still delivering a high-quality cut. Whether you're cutting thick logs or tackling a large tree, the Extreme V6 chainsaw won't disappoint. Speedy Gonzalez, efficiency and power combined. When you need something that can tear through obstacles with minimal effort, look no further than the Speedy Gonzalez. Equipped with a powerful engine and superior horsepower, this machine is built for speed and precision. With exceptional handling capabilities, the Speedy Gonzalez is a prime example of timeless woodcraft technology that combines historical craftsmanship with modern-day efficiency. It is designed to take on the most challenging tasks with ease, allowing professionals to complete their jobs faster and more effectively. McDonald's Portable Saw, precision and professionalism in every cut. The McDonald's Portable Saw with a 25 horsepower engine is perfect for those in need of a compact yet powerful cutting solution. The machine works quickly, making the decoration process efficient without losing any of its artistic flair. For cakes sold by the slice, specialized ultrasonic cutting equipment ensures that every slice is perfectly uniform, with clean, precise cuts. This technology ensures that each slice is both visually appealing and consistent in size. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth look behind the scenes of the burger and cake making worlds. Designed to cut wood with exceptional precision, this saw delivers clean, accurate cuts every time. Its smooth handling and professional-grade performance make it a top choice for anyone in need of portable saw solutions. This machine is built to provide both speed and efficiency, making it the go-to tool for professional woodworkers and forestry experts alike. Diabolic Saw, unbeatable speed and power. When you need a saw that can handle both straight logs and twisted, knotted wood, the Diabolic Saw is the tool for the job. Its rapid cutting speed and optimized design make it one of the best tools available for firewood processing. With a powerful engine behind it, this saw ensures you can process large quantities of wood in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional methods. From the first mix of dough and beef to the final decorated cake, it's a journey filled with cutting-edge technology and a dedication to quality. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see more fascinating stories from behind the scenes.